Hey guys, this is Jennifer and Alex from Top Guns out of Terre Haute, Indiana.
And today we're going to do a 90-second review on the refresh of the Savage 110 Tactical. Late in 2017, Savage came out with the refresh of the Model 110 Tactical. Now it came out with a couple different features. Jen, tell us a little bit about that.
Well, one of the main features is that it has the AccuFit system, so it does come with 5 different comb risers to adjust the cheek height according to your body size or shooting preference.
And I honestly noticed it came out with 4 different pieces for the length of pull,
yes,
which gives you an adjustment from anywhere from 43.25 inches to 46.5 inches in overall length.
So it does still have some of the old features as well. It has the fluted heavy barrel that's threaded for a suppressor, and it does still have the Accu-Trigger as well.
The Accu-Trigger can actually be adjusted from 1.5 to 6 pounds overall. So this does have a 20 MOA EGW rail and a 10-round box mag that comes with the firearm out of the box.
So with this being a heavy barrel bolt action rifle, it still only weighs in at 8.65 pounds.
With it fully adjusted, loaded down, it comes in around 8.87 pounds.
Hey guys, this is a super easy system to take down. I'm just going to take a quick second to show you how the pieces come apart. And it does just include 2 Phillips screws in the stock. So there is like a locking type system on the comb riser, so you'll gently pull back and lift up. So we're just going to put a new one on really quick, and in order to do that you want to line the back up all the way and snap it on and then push forward. So to adjust the length of pull, you'll just pull the pieces apart and you can change the screws out for each adjustment. It has different lengths of screws. So you just stack them together and add that. And it does come with different screws, so you'll have to adjust the screw like I said. All done.
All right guys, there is your 90-second review on the Savage 110 Tactical Refresh.
If you like what you see on this video, be sure to give us a thumbs up. And if there are any guns that you'd like to see us do a 90-second review on in the future, be sure to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.